Do you want to know how you can change your profile picture on Duolingo? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add profile on Duolingo. Go ahead and open Duolingo app on your phone. And then you can see the profile option on the middle. Go ahead and tap on it and go to settings, which you can see on the top right hand side. You can see the change avatar option. Go ahead and tap on it. You can see that you can create your own avatar now. So let's go ahead and design the perfect avatar which suits your attire. After you're done, just go ahead and click on done and click done again. Wait for a while, and in a while you can create your avatar and your profile picture on Duolingo will be successfully changed. Click save afterwards, and there you go. This is how you change your profile picture or add profile picture on Duolingo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.